If you're looking for the best treadmill for home or office use in 2026, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll cover 5 of the best folding and under-desk treadmills focusing on performance, incline, motor power, portability, and smart features. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Walking Pad Treadmill with 12% Incline, 4-in-1 Folding Treadmill. This 4-in-1 walking pad treadmill is designed for both home workouts and under-desk use. It features a 12% automatic incline, a handlebar for stability, and supports speeds from 0.6 to 10 miles per hour. You also get Bluetooth connectivity, app control, and a built-in speaker. This treadmill stands out for versatility. You can use it as a walking pad, jogging treadmill, incline trainer, or desk treadmill. The incline adds intensity for fat burning, while the folding design makes it ideal for small spaces. Pros: strong 12% incline for better workouts, app support with Bluetooth speaker, foldable and easy to store, wide speed range for walking and jogging. Cons: not ideal for heavy running sessions. Speaker quality is average. A great all-in-one treadmill for users who want flexibility, incline training, and smart features in a compact design. Number 2. Walking Pad with 15% Incline, 3.5 HP Portable Treadmill. This model comes with a powerful 3.5 HP motor, 15% incline, and supports users up to 350 pounds. It includes dual LED displays, smart app support, RGB lighting, and 4 adjustable incline levels. This treadmill is built for users who want more power and durability. The high incline level is excellent for cardio and weight loss, while the RGB lights add a modern touch. Pros: powerful 3.5 HP motor, high 15% incline, high weight capacity, smart app and RGB lighting. Cons: slightly heavier than other walking pads, takes more storage space. Perfect for users who want maximum incline, power, and durability in a portable treadmill. Number 3. Walking Pad with handlebar and incline, 3-in-1 under-desk treadmill. This 3-in-1 treadmill includes walking, jogging, and hiking modes. It runs on a 2.5 HP low-noise motor, features a LED display, remote control, and a compact portable design. This treadmill focuses on quiet operation and simplicity. Hiking mode adds extra challenge without needing high speeds, making it great for office or apartment use. Pros: quiet motor for home and office, hiking mode for incline workouts, compact and portable, easy remote control operation. Cons: lower top speed, smaller running surface. An excellent choice for walking, light jogging, and office workouts with minimal noise. Number 4. Rayspace 4-in-1 Foldable Treadmill with 10% Incline. The Rayspace treadmill features a 3.5 HP motor, 10% incline, and supports up to 350 pounds. It includes app control, remote control, and a foldable under-desk design. This treadmill offers a balanced mix of power, incline, and smart controls. It's suitable for both beginners and intermediate users who want reliable daily workouts at a reasonable size. Pros: strong motor performance, 10% incline for cardio training, app and remote control, high weight capacity. Cons: app interface could be improved. Incline adjustment is manual. A solid mid-range treadmill that delivers performance, stability, and smart features at a reasonable size. Number 5. Foldable Treadmill with 7% Incline, Portable Walking Pad. This treadmill is powered by a 2.5 HP motor, supports speeds from 0.6 to 7.5 mph, and has a 7% incline. It includes remote and app control and supports users up to 265 pounds. This is a beginner-friendly treadmill focused on walking and light jogging. Its compact design makes it perfect for apartments, home offices, and small rooms. Pros: lightweight and easy to store. Simple controls with app support. Good for daily walking. Budget-friendly option. Cons: lower incline compared to others. Not suitable for intense running. Best for users who want a simple, affordable walking treadmill for everyday fitness. Thanks for watching till the end. If you want to check the latest price or offers on any of these treadmills, I've added the links in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming product reviews.